Another important thing, what is the thing we are going to discuss today? Types of externalities. The types of externalities can be classified into two important heading. First one, positive externalities, and second one, negative externalities. Positive externalities means what? Externalities means it is nothing but pollution. So what is the thing positive and what is the thing negative? Here beneficial externalities, it is called positive. Some, even though pollution takes place, but the producers, they can enjoy maximum profit. Even by starting of industries, we know already, if we started industries means the emission comes out and it also mixes with air pollution arises, and we know waste products, it is also mixed with river bodies, water bodies, it will also affect water pollution. And the nearby local people, they can also affected due to the industries working, they can affect a noise pollution, each and everything we know. But the production, it will increases our country GDP, so we just accepted, and we can also give that permission also. So what we can call it is, it is a positive externalities. Even though it will create certain important problem, but it will be somewhat benefit, we can call it as it is a positive externalities. Clear? Next one, negative externalities. Adverse are here the people, they are not the person who is who are settled nearby that village, that industries, they are not directly or indirectly connected with that industry, but they are also affected due to that pollution, different types of pollution. We can call it as they are not getting any benefit from that industry, but they can affected only, so we can call it as it is a negative externalities. Clear? Some important concepts, each and everything is very important for your part, be carried to marks. Listen carefully. Positive consumption externality. What is the thing? Positive consumption externalities means, if we are having one flat, in that flat we are having 10 houses or whatever it may be, or in the street we are having 20 or 30 houses. So for here, the cost borne by or cost bear by someone and the benefit enjoyed by all the person. For example, if some of the persons in a street or some of the persons who is settled in a flat, they just appoint certain important private security to for the overnight, okay, but to in order to protect each and everything from the theft, each and everything. So what will happen? Only part of the persons, they just appoint the patrol, that is the private security. But what is the thing happen here means, each and every persons, they will be secure. So one person is the person who is sharing that amount, but all the persons, they are getting benefit. Clear? We can call it as it is a positive consumption externality. Someone, they are paying the cost and all the persons, they are getting benefit. We can call it as it is a positive consumption externality. Next one, negative consumption externality. For example, a person who is having smoking habit, the person who are all moving that side passes all the person who are all passes that way, each and everybody is also affected by that smoking person. We can call it as it is a negative consumption externality. That person only, he can enjoy certain amount of feelings or each and everything, the person who is the smoking habit, but directly or indirectly, the persons who are all passed that way, they are affected. That is the non-smokers, they are affected. So what we can call it is a negative consumption externality. Another important thing, positive production externality. Positive production externality means it is nothing but the ideal location for beehives in orchards. So what will happen? More beehives it takes place means it will also improve the pollination of the which one? Apple blossom. So the orchard place, the particular person who is the owner of that orchard, he can increase both the thing. What will happen? Honey is also increases in his orchard, as well as the apple blossom is also take place. The quantity of production of apple is also increases. We can call it as it is a reciprocal untraded interdependency. Clear? Each and everything. Beehives, it plays a very important role for apple blossom. So what will happen? The apple production is also increases in the orchard, and the same orchard means different types of fruits trees are located in any one area. We can call it as a orchard. You people know very well. So bees null, what will happen? Honey production is also increases. Same thing, the production of happiness also increases. Another important thing, negative production externalities. Negative production externalities means it includes the pollution generated by the factory, especially different types of pollution takes place from production side. That is when we can start at industries. What will happen? Air pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, each and every pollution takes place. Then we can call it as it is a negative production externalities.